Hello, and welcome to Rhonda Said. I'm Rhonda. I love saying things, and I'm super glad to see you here today. I hope you're having a great day or day of your choice. Today, I'm going to ask you to like, comment, subscribe, and ring the bell down below. But I've got a very hefty Boxy Luxe box for the month of March. I got it pretty quickly, not too shabby. And there's a lot of stuff in here. I can just tell it just weighs so much. I wonder what's so heavy. Maybe there's a dumbbell in here. I hope not. No dumbbells for me, please. As you see, it says Boxycharm box. And paper. And this is what it looks like with all the stuffing gone. And I'm going to go on and put on my glasses, which is a feat to do with the headband. And this is Spring Luxe 2022. Actually, it's pretty, well, it's pretty big. Oh, wow! There's some cute stuff in here. I'm very excited. Okay, let me tell you what's in here. I won't keep it all to myself, but I'll keep my scissors handy just in case I need them. Where to put this card, I don't know. The first thing is from Natasha Denona, which I did not expect. And it's the Cupid Palette. And this is a 48, oh, I need my calculator. It is a $48 palette. Let's take a look. Oh, crap. That sounded bad. Ooh, it's beautiful. And it's really large. With 3 velvety mattes and 2 dazzling metallics, this versatile 5-pan Cupid palette is all you need to create a range of romantic looks from flirty to fierce, featuring rich coppery browns, bright champagne pinks, and a luscious burgundy coral. All 5 shades are velvety. Woo! Velvety, hydrating, and effortless to layer. 48 bucks. That is gorgeous. Look at that. It's very nice and neutral, and you can make a nice romantic look with that. So that's cool. It's not the most exciting palette I've ever had, but it's always nice to get some ND in my box. So Natasha Denona. Oh, it's how fancy. Oh, oh, wow. This is from Frank Body. And this is Perky Sculpting Body Hydrator. This is heavy. This is hefty. And it says, feeling flat, Perky will perk you up. It's a sculpting moisturizer for smooth and hydrated skin, packed with caffeine to firm your favorite asset. How they wrote it. Acai to give you a boost, shea butter to hydrate, and longan seed extract to sculpt your booty. All comes in a reusable coffee cup to rinse when you're done for coffee on the run. $19.95. I'm going to call that $20. So let's take a look at this. And it's got a little butt. It's got a little butt on it. A little booty. Can you see the little booty? And this is very hefty. It really is. And I've never had something specially for my ass. There was a sheet mask for my ass in a box a long time ago. But let's check this out. Oh. It's very thick. It smells amazing. I'm sure it smells like kind of like a little vanilla coffee kind of smell. Kind of vanilla-y. It's got a really, it's really very hefty. I'm telling you, over again, it is hefty. Very cool. All right, next up we have Stay Calm Soothing Mask Sheets. Give them la la, it says. And this is from Give Them La La Skin. Stay Calm Smooth Soothing Sheet Mask. Soothe and soften your skin in a flash with a Stay Calm Soothing Sheet Mask infused with naturally calming ingredients like aloe, chamomile, and licorice root. The sheet mask will leave your skin feeling hydrated, soft, and visibly smoother in just one use. $30 for a bunch of them. All right. Next, we have something from Juice Beauty. And this is Stem Cellular Anti-Wrinkle Retinol Overnight Serum. Very nice. Where is that? There it is. $72. Clean vegan 2.5 bioretinol retinol serum will break through scientific technology encapsulated the vitamin and evening primrose to assure stability and avoid toxic chemicals, skin rescuing technologies to help keep your skin looking and acting youthful while you sleep. The serum glides on smoothly and leaves skin feeling hydrated. $72. Feels like it's a big size too. Yeah, this is nice. It's a whole fluid ounce, which is standard for serums. So that's very cool. I'm not going to try it just now. I've got some other retinol products open. Very cool. Then we have from Ren Clean Skincare Brightening Dark Circle Eye Cream. I could always use an eye cream. And this is eye cream combines 95% natural origin ingredients to visibly reduce dark circles after just 7 days with an irritation-free formula suitable for all eyes and bioactives to brighten, hydrate, plump the look of the entire eye area, formulated with elderberry flower extract and glycogen. $49. Cool. Let's take a look. It's tough to open. There we go. And it's a wee thing, but it packs a punch. Very cool. In the back, in the saddle again. Let's see what we have next. From Complex Culture, Filterite. This is some garbage. Filter out Daily Blue Light Defense Mist. The blue light filtering is a non-real thing. You can't, there's no protection for your skin from blue light because it's at such a fraction of a percentage that it comes at your skin, even from your phone, your computer, your whatever. You don't need it. Let's see what it smells like. And that smells amazing. Let's see what kind of hooey they say about this product. It smells really good. It smells kind of like geraniums. This is moisturize, set, and protect all in one step, which is fine. They could have just called it a setting spray. A botanical powerhouse clinically proven to protect skin from harmful effects of HUV blue light rays, like the ones that speed up the signs of aging, which it don't. Vegan, cruelty-free, and infused with a mood-boosting scent to soothe your screen time. Simply close your eyes and spray anytime you need a screen break. $32. All right. That's just crap. And then from Lawless, oh, it's Forget the Filler. Lawless Forget the Filler Lip Plumping Line Smoothing Gloss, which I don't really do the lip plumping thing. I don't really need it. And I don't like things stinging my mouth. I don't want a burning sensation anywhere. Especially when I pee, you don't want a burning sensation. A clinically proven lip plumping treatment and ultra-glossy shine with immediate long-term plumping, softening, and hydrating benefits. It's universally flat and sheer baby pink shade. Immediately lines are filled, lip surface smooth. With consistent use, lips are proven to increase their volume and plumpness with fewer lines. 25 bucks. That's a lot for just a little lip balm, lip plumps. But I know that people pay money for the plumping. It's a beautiful frosted glass bottle, but that'll be passed on in a giveaway. Absolutely a giveaway. And then last but not least, the big papa of the box, the Glow Recipe Papaya Sorbet Enzyme Cleansing Balm, which I'm so excited to have this cleansing balm. It's sealed for my protection. I love anything Glow Recipe to begin with, and I love a cleansing balm. Oh, it's a lot of box for this, and it's very hefty. And let's see what it smells like. Oh, it smells so fruity and delightful. Totally like papaya. That is fantastic. So let's read about it. Glow Recipe Papaya Sorbet Enzyme Cleansing Balm. Reveal smooth skin and effortlessly dissolve makeup, dirt, and oil with this PEG-free balm. This balm to milky oil harnesses natural enzymatic, actively smoothing papaya to satisfy and gently resurface skin, creating the ultimate baby soft canvas. Why can't I read? For skincare and makeup, the exfoliating calming mix of papaya seed oil, papaya enzymes, papaya extract, and antioxidant-packed blueberry leaves skin bouncy and glowing. $32. So, I didn't tell you how much this box was. It's like $60 now. It's like 60 bucks. And so I got this great enzymatic balm to cleanse my face. I got this silly setting spray. I got a goofy, I just don't care about lip plumping things. I got some nice sheet masks. This is for external use only. As if I was going to put them on the inside of my mouth. I don't think so. But that means somebody did put them on the inside of their body at one point. Ugh. Some great eye cream. Some great moisturizer with retinol. We got this Perky Booty Sculpting lotion. I'm going to put it somewhere besides my booty, just to let you know in case you were really curious. And then the Natasha Denona Cupid. This is a lot of good stuff. I cannot complain about this box. I totally got my money's worth. $236 worth of value. And I really love most of these things. So good job, Boxycharm, Luxe. I want to thank you guys so much for being with me here today. I hope you have a fantastic day and be nice to each other. Bye.